Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Enchanted Moon, and I got this in the mail. Sent with love from the UK, and it says fragile on here. So this is the witch casket for April. Mine came in a little late, but at least I got it. So, I'm super excited to share it, because I've been waiting desperately. You guys alright? Stop. Dog's out there. Chewing on sticks is not a good thing. Stop chewing on sticks. Bad. Bad. So we have our witch casket. Ooh. This is where you can order yours if you'd like. And this is what it looks like when I open it. So our theme, ooh, protection magic. Ooh, I always love the art. Protection magic. We have our art card. Hi guys. Hi buddy. And it is I am protected. Hi guys. And then we have our Witch Casket Protection Spell Bottle Kit. And of course it contains everything you'll need. I'm just going to put a little, maybe, I hate to ruin it, but, alright. Slice this open. What are you doing? Alright, so in here we have our directions for the spell. And everything we need. 1, 2, spell bottle. And it looks like, oh, Adele. Hey, leave my dog and kitty alone. Hurt my dog. Sorry guys, my cat must have scratched the dog. So we have Angelica and Barley. And then we got this baby. Cast iron altar cauldron. Use this magical cast iron cauldron for fire magic spells, burning rituals with charcoal disc to burn loose incense, herbs, or resins. I love the boxes they make too. Everything is pretty cool. Oh, look at it. It's a cute little guy. It's a cute little cauldron. That's really cute. It's like a travel size as well. Okay, then we got another pretty matching. This says for use in spells and rituals for protection, banishing, or hex breaking. And if you notice, guys, everything matches the label. Ah, black salt. Cute bottle of black salt. Then we got incense again. Cool. Witch Casket Protection Incense. And it says a powerful blend of violet and sandalwood. And this is the pretty packaging. What else do we got? Oh, we got a bag here. I'm dying to know what's in this. We have, something must have opened up on it. It's a little dusty, but let's see what's in it. What's in this bag? Sounds like bells. Ooh, this is pretty. Witch's bells. Look at the pretty art. Oops, sorry guys. And look at them. Black cord, black bells. Very cute. I like them. I like them a lot. And they sound nice too. All right. We also have, next we have this sachet. And it's a Witch Casket Pendant Kit. Protection Kit. So we have the beautiful art card. I thought I wasn't videoing for a minute there. I was going to like, what? So we have a cord. Oh no. It rolled away. Far, far away. It really rolled. Oh, God, it sucks getting old. Whew. All right. Cage. Crystal. Crystal. Pendant. Okay. And our... It's amethyst and it looks like smoky to me. Amethyst and smoky. All right, cool. So we got that. We have another pretty black sachet here. Oh, it's my incense burning. I'm really losing it. I'm like, what's that smoke? All right, the pretty card. Witch Casket Pentacle Protection Keyring. Nice. This is actually really pretty. I like that it's in black. Oops. I love this. Definitely going to use this ASAP. Oh my goodness, there's still a couple more items yet in here. We have this beautiful box. Witch Casket Protection Candle. Lightly dress your candle with protective black tourmaline chips and dill. So it has everything we need to do. Oh, mine. All right. My label just fell off, so no big deal. We can just tape that back on just to give you an idea what it looks like. There we go. And then it has this on top. Beautiful black. And then we have the dill and the tourmaline on the side. So we can do this ourselves and put our own energy into it. I love it. And it even has a affirmation in the back. Our beautiful pin this month is a beautiful protection bottle pin. So much beautiful detail and everything. And our next extra special gift of the elements. This is number 4, I believe. And this one is water. Beautiful, thick, gorgeous pendant. This is exclusive. What number is this one? This is number 4 of 5. So we got one more, and that should be Spirit. I love this. This is awesome. And the last item is going to be our scroll. And it matches too. I'm on my way to work very soon. Tonight's the full moon. You guys have any awesome plans for this full moon? And this is our beautiful protection scroll. And we put this in our book of shadows once I flatten it down. April's box. Awesome. Always awesome. Always unique items. So, this is what we have. All right. And they're all exclusive items. So we got the cast iron cauldron. Cute little guy. I like that. We got the black salt. We got the witch's bells. And it's beautiful. Has a packaging as well. To keep it protected if you're not using it. Protection pendant kit. Which already... Ooh, that's this guy here. Then we got dress your own protection candle, which is awesome. The exclusive pin. The protection bottle ritual kit, which I almost forgot about. Okay. And then the incense. The key ring. Wow. And then, of course, the extra element and the scroll, Book of Shadows, and our beautiful art. I mean, this box is truly another awesome, awesome box. And remember that this is an extra free gift. So, that's why it's a little bit extra items. Let me know, guys, what you think. As always, I love it. Have a blessed day, guys. Thanks for watching.